So end of August here, and house is pretty much completed. Got the gable ends done. Got actually a balcony up there and a little door to go out to access the balcony. Rained really bad last night and no leaks, so the roof is on there pretty good. Turned out okay, you know, just ended up being basically much bigger than I had originally imagined it was going to be. So, a bit more expensive and more difficult to build. Cooling off. It's probably about 50 degrees right now. 7 p.m. So I got to get the cabin basically sealed up for air leaks. That's what I've been doing the last week. And then insulated thoroughly. And then install the heating. So that's the next big projects. It's almost there.